In this quick video, I'll show you how to denoise in Davinci Resolve 18. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, go over to color tab and tap on it. Then add a node here. For that, right click on your current node. Then go to add node and add a serial node here. And then select your current node. Go to effects and then click on it to enable effects panel. Then search here noise reduction and apply this effect to your new node. This is my new node. I'll simply drag it to my new node and then change your frames to 5 and quality to better. And now change your motion range from small to medium. Now under temporal threshold, increase your luma and chroma to 50. I'll make it 50 here and then scroll down here, and under spatial noise reduction we need to change radius from small to medium. Now under spatial threshold we need to increase luma and chroma, but before that make sure to uncheck this option and increase your luma to 75 and your chroma to 100 here. And then you can see I have successfully removed grainy noise from my clip. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.